Here's your friendly reminder of the day that if you're using these steam sterilizers to sanitize your breast pump parts, these don't actually clean or wash your parts. So if you're using these, you still want to use hot soapy water to scrub the milk film and residue off of your pump parts before then steaming them in the microwave per the directions on these bags. If you just steam them without washing them, you can actually steam on your milk residue onto those pump parts, which can create kind of a nasty film on them. CDC recommends sterilizing pump parts once a day for the first 3 months. And once you have a full-term healthy newborn who doesn't have any respiratory compromise, hot soapy water is fine throughout the day. So you really only need these if you have a young baby, or potentially if you are pumping in a workplace where you're like, it's a little dirty and you're not so sure about what your pump parts are coming into contact with. You could use these a little bit more often, but CDC says hot soapy water is just fine for your pump parts. Sterilize once a day for the first 3 months, and after 3 months, just hot soapy water. Now you know.